Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi, here in this given problem, first of all, this is the incline using which the test rocket is launched in the air. This incline is having a total length of 200 meter, angle of inclination 35 degree. So when the rocket will leave this incline in the air with the velocity Vf, then it will be making the same angle with the horizontal, means 35 degree, after which it will follow a parabolic path and will finally hit the ground over here. Suppose this height, that is h, this distance suppose it to be x up to here. Okay, in order to find this h in right angled triangle using trigonometric ratio perpendicular by hypotenuse, h by 200, that is sine 35 degrees. So this h will be given by 200 multiplied by sine 35 degree, and it is calculated to be equal to 114.7 meter. Similarly, using base upon hypotenuse, x by 200, that is equal to cos 35 degrees. So x will be given by 200 cos 35 degree, and that x is calculated to be equal to 163.8 meter. Okay, now in the first part of the problem, first of all we find Vf and acceleration, that is given as 1.25 acceleration of this toy rocket in upward direction, that is 1.25 meter per second square. It starts from rest, so Vi is equal to 0, and distance covered over the incline, that is 200 meter. S is equal to 200 meter. So in order to find Vf, using third equation of motion, Vf is square equals to Vi square plus 2As, means this is 0 plus 2 multiplied by 1.25 multiplied by 200. So this Vf is calculated to be equal to 22.36 meter per second. Now we find maximum height reached by this projectile above this point in the level of top of the inclined plane, let it be h dash. So that h dash will be given by, using the projectile motion of toy rocket in the air, that is Vf square sine square theta divided by 2g. For Vf, this is square of 22.36, and this square actually comes out to be equal to 500. So here it will become 500 multiplied by sine square 35 degree divided by 2 times of 9.8, and this is 8.39 meter. So maximum height reached by this toy rocket above the ground, capital H, that will be h plus h dash, means this is 114.7 meter plus 8.39 meter, means it comes out to be equal to 123.1 meter. Answer for the first part of this given problem here. Okay, now we have to find the maximum range, horizontal range beyond point A. This is point A, for which x is already known. We have to find x dash, horizontal distance traveled in the air, for which we will find time. And in order to find time taken by this projectile to cover this height h, we will resolve this Vf in two components, Vfx and Vfy. So for the second part of the motion, using vertical motion of this projectile, VFY, that is negative VF sine 35 degree, means this is minus 22.36 sine 35 degree, calculated to be equal to minus 12.8 meter per second. Displacement, vertical displacement to be covered by it, 114.7 meter. So using third equation of motion, H is equal to VFY t plus half gt square. H 114.7 is equal to VFY minus 12.8 t plus half into 9.8 t square. So we get a quadratic equation 4.9 t square minus 12.8 t and minus 114.7 equals to 0. So this quadratic is solved to get the time to be equal to 6.32 second, time taken by the projectile in the air. So within this time, horizontal distance covered by it will be given by x dash is equal to horizontal velocity Vfx multiplied by time, means this is Vf cos 35 degree multiplied by time. So this is 22.36 multiplied by cosine of 35 degree multiplied by time 6.32. So this x dash is calculated to be equal to 115.8 meter. So total horizontal range R, that will be given by x plus x dash. X already we have found to be equal to 163.8, x dash that is 115.8. So this R is calculated to be equal to 279.6 meter, or approximately this is 280 meter, which is the answer for the second part of this given problem here. Thank you.